It is time to pack for Alaska cruises. Do you know what to wear on your Alaska cruise? This video is going to be different than my previous Alaska packing videos because this year I'm cruising to Alaska in peak season in July. So I'm going to show you what I'm wearing on my Alaska cruise to give you some ideas for your cruise. Hi, I'm Kristen, and if we haven't already met, I've been cruising since 2000. I actually worked aboard cruise ships for 5 years. I am so glad you joined me today, and if your Alaska cruise is at the beginning of the season or towards the end, make sure to watch my videos from previous years detailing what works in the colder months. You can also print my Alaska cruise packing list, which I have improved and revised for 2026. My first question for you is, what month is your Alaska cruise? Let me know in the comments below. I am so excited to be cruising this year on Celebrity Cruises in July. Since I hope it's going to be warmer than it was last year in May, I'm trading in my puffer coat from previous Alaska cruises for this rain shell with a hood. I found this on Sierra.com, my new favorite store. I love my Hurley rain poncho so much that I've worn in previous years that I think I'm still going to bring it just in case I get caught in a downpour like last year. It doesn't take up that much room in my suitcase. I bought new boots this year, so I felt like my snow boots from previous years were a little much for July. So I bought these on Amazon. They are Rika and waterproof. And this was my most expensive purchase at $51. My outfits for the ports and sea days are a variety of lightweight, long sleeve t-shirts and short sleeve active shirts and lightweight active or hiking pants. I can mix and match and layer as needed. I also have a lightweight zip up layer and a little bit heavier zip up sweatshirt. The challenge of packing for Alaska is trying to figure out what clothes work best for the activities you're doing and then trying to predict what the weather will do. You have to consider, am I going to be comfortable in this hiking a glacier, on a dog sled, in a kayak, in a whale watch boat? Comfort is so important in Alaska because the port days can be quite long on excursions. And if your pants are chafing or your feet are wet and you're walking through a downpour of nonstop rain, you're going to be kicking yourself or mad at whoever suggested you wear that. And I hope that's not me. If my Alaska cruise brings some insight on what to wear in Alaska in July, then I'll make a follow-up video. Until then, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming Alaska videos on Celebrity Cruises. I'm Kristen, and I hope to see you at sea.